Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to view and update your account details in Quick Chat to make sure your WhatsApp integration stays accurate and up to date. Start by opening Quick Hub and click on Quick Chat from the main menu. Next, go to the dashboard inside Quick Chat. From here, click on Manage Settings to access your configuration options. Then, click on Account Details to view your connected WhatsApp account information. Click on the Edit button to make changes. You'll now see all your account information, including your business name, phone number, and integration details. Review the information carefully and make any necessary updates. For example, updating your registered number or display name. Once everything looks correct, click on Save to confirm your changes. After saving, Quick Chat will automatically update your account settings. You can double-check to ensure your details have been saved successfully, keeping your WhatsApp connection accurate and ready for communication. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and updated your account details in Quick Chat. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you manage your business effortlessly.